Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough tour of our 2017 BMW 520d M Sport Saloon we have new in stock. I'm just going to run through the specification of this vehicle, just pointing out some of the main standout features on the car. To begin with, on the exterior, the vehicle is finished in the optional carbon black metallic paintwork, which is a dark blue paint. The vehicle comes with the optional sun protection glass for the rear windows, the optional 19-inch M Design alloy wheels with the diamond turned facing, the optional variable damper controls, the optional folding exterior mirrors with anti-dazzle, the optional Harman Kardon surround sound speaker system with speakers on the door cards, and also the optional heated leather-trimmed multifunction steering wheel. The vehicle as standard is an M Sport model, which means you get the M Sport exterior body styling with the unique front and rear bumpers. You get the M Sport interior styling as well with the full leather interior seating with the half electric functions, the leather-trimmed M Sport steering wheel, virtual cockpit display, centre console design with your sport modes, your drive selector, your storage compartments and your multi-zone climate control. You also get heated front seats and the central display screen where you can access your DAB radio, your satellite navigation and also your front and rear parking sensor display screen. The vehicle does come with plenty of boot space as well available in the rear with 40-20-40 split folding rear seats as well. If you'd like to know any more information about this car, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.